Okay, I'm really gorgeous, wonderful, and happy to see you. Are you ready for our activity?
Yes,
Yes. Do you have the
obviously.
materials ready?
Yes. Ay, es que
Okay,
no saco los
they are
colores.
really important for having the for having a good activity. So get ready your materials and welcome. This is an activity called Colors Everywhere. And let me explain you. It's about, um, it's a drawing workshop, okay? A drawing workshop. And today, what we are going to learn together is how to draw a landscape, okay? Let me show you. This is a landscape, okay? A landscape. And this is what we are going to do today, okay? This is what we are going to do today together, okay? So before starting, listen to me, sorry. The instructions to develop the activity without any problem, okay? So number one, no microphones, okay? In this moment, you're going to turn off your microphone, okay? And number two, second instruction, you are going to have moments for asking questions, okay? So wait for the moment to raise the hand and ask questions. But when I tell you, okay? When I tell you, don't worry, okay? Number three, we are going to use colors, right? We are going to use colors. The idea is that you use your favorite ones, okay? Use your favorite colors. Remember, no microphones. No microphones in this moment, okay? Very nice. So, we are going to start, okay? I'm going to share this presentation before because it's important to have, um, okay, we need to work a vocabulary, right? We need to work a vocabulary to understand much better the activity, right? So we're going to see this vocabulary by little parts, okay? Part by part, according to the activities we do with the drawing, okay? So, what is the first vocabulary? You need to understand my instructions, okay? Lines, okay? You're going to listen that word in my instructions. Lines, make a line. So when you listen line, you have to do this, okay? This is what you have to draw, a line, okay? Another important expression is circle, okay? Because you're going to draw many circles in this activity. Okay, not so many, but enough, okay? So circle. And look, it's not a perfect circle because you're going to use your hands, right? So the circle doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, we are going to explore with our hands today. Second expression is very important. Curve, okay? Curve. So we're going to make lines, but at the same time, we're going to do curves, okay? Curves. Any other? Waves, okay? Waves are like, okay, like little ondas, okay, onditas. So that kind of exercise or dynamic, it's something that we are going to use, okay? You are going to draw waves in some cases. You're going to discover, okay? and point, because you're going to do some points in your drawing, okay? So it's really important. Another thing, finally, triangles. We are going to draw triangles, okay? So when you listen triangle, you are going to draw, okay? And in a very important part of our drawing, we are going to use some stripes in many different colors, but we will wait for my instruction, okay? So stripes is another expression you need for the activity. Why? Because, as I tell you, we are going to do a landscape, this landscape, okay? Questions. Okay, 2 minutes for questions. So don't forget to raise your hand when you have a question, okay? Juan Sebastián Villegas, what is your question? Good morning.
Mister, mi pregunta es, o sea, tú nos dices una forma y nosotros debemos dibujarla.
Okay, okay. It's, let me explain you. I will try to explain you in English and you will tell me if you understand me, okay? This vocabulary is important for making the drawing, okay? So when you listen line, you are going to draw a line, okay? When you listen circle, you are going to draw a circle, like this, for example. Okay? So you're going to draw a circle, so you draw a circle. Do you understand me, Juan? Is it clear?
Pero, Mister,
Yes.
¿cómo vamos a saber dónde dibujarlo?
Because I will tell you, don't worry, wait. I will show you a video, okay? Because I have the instructor, okay? So you do not worry about, okay? Clear? Juan Sebastian,
Yes.
it's clear? Okay, don't worry. Look, Juan, this is the video we are going to use, okay? Do you see? Do you see the video, Juan?
Yes.
Okay. The video gives you the instructions, okay? Very nice. Juan Pablo, what is your question? Juan Pablo López.
Es que tengo dos hojas y no sé cuál usar, si esta o esta.
Okay. Okay, very important. Don't worry. We are going to see the materials. You can choose one. Whatever, it's okay. Okay? Whatever, it's okay. So let's...
La anterior fue chiquita.
It's up to you. It's up to you. If you want a small drawing, you can use a small like this. Look. Yes? But if you want a big one, a bigger one, sorry, you can choose another one, okay? But it's your decision. It's not a problem. Okay, let's start. So we're going to see the materials, okay? The supplies we need for making this drawing, this landscape, okay? So let's see. Let's start. Okay, remember the name of the activity is Colors Everywhere. And the materials, the supplies we're going to use are, okay, a paper sheet. Look, a paper sheet. Okay, pronounce with me, paper sheet. A pencil, okay, a pencil. An eraser, a sharpener, and of course, colors. Okay? Okay? We are going to draw a landscape. That's the name, landscape. Okay? So, then we are going to start. Okay, everybody get ready with your pencil and with your paper sheet, okay? En este momento tú vas a ver, haciendo un pequeño paréntesis, que lo estoy dibujando con color negro, pero es para que ustedes lo puedan ver mejor, ¿ok? Pero tú usas tu lápiz. You use your pencil, ¿ok? And use your eraser when you need it, ¿ok? Ready? Everybody is ready with your pencils and your papers? Okay. So look, we are going to start. I'm going to show you, sorry, the vocabulary. This is what we are going to start to do. Okay? We are going to draw the hills. Eso es lo primero que vamos a dibujar, okay? So we're going to draw the hills of the landscape, okay? Then, look at me, look the vocabulary. You're going to draw a lake, okay? Pronounce there with me. Repeat with me without the microphone, okay? Lake, lake. We are going to draw some hills and a lake, okay? One, where are you? Look the vocabulary because it's really important, okay? And then we are going to draw some rocks, okay? Rocks. Remember, the first things we are going to draw are hills, a lake, and rocks, okay? Entonces, esto es lo primero que vamos a dibujar. So we are going to start. I'm going to go back to the video. Don't worry. Let's go back to the video. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so I am sharing the screen one more time. Okay, so we have here. So we are going to start with the hills. Okay, so look, you're going to follow this map. Important. Vas a seguir y vas a tratar. You're going to try to do the same in this occasion, okay? En esta parte del dibujo, sí, acuérdate, vamos a tratar de hacerlo lo más parecido, este relieve, estas colinas, lo más parecido que puedas, ¿ok? Porque vamos a tener ahí en el medio el lake y bueno, ¿ok? Esta parte sí vamos a tratar de hacerla muy similar y ya las otras sí le puedes colocar tu toque, ¿ok? So look, we are going to make some curves, okay? Curves like little mountains, like this. Little mountains, like some little curves. Look, some little curves. Okay? So we're going to start to do this kind of curve. This kind of curve, okay? And then we are going to continue like this. Look the shape we need, okay? So draw a curve like this, like a little mountain, and then you descend, no? And you try to do another curve, another one. Look, we continue like this. Sorry?
Miss Pelan?
Whose is it? Whose is it?
Juan Paulo.
Juan Paulo. Remember, you're going to try. I'm going to return, okay? Don't worry about it. Don't worry. So remember, this is the first part. So remember, we're going to do a little mountain with curves like this, okay? Similar. Try to do very similar. Sorry, I didn't touch the paper in that moment, but okay. So look like that, okay? We make a mountain and then we descend and try to do another curve, okay? We continue and we're going to go up and make another hill to the other side, okay? Look, like this. Okay, like
Mister,
this. Like this.
tengo una hoja muy grande.
So try to manage the space of the paper, okay? Trata de distribuir el espacio en tu hoja, okay? But a similar form like this. Similar, okay? Parecido a lo que están viendo en este momento. Now pay attention because below we are going to draw the limit, the lake, okay? Vamos a hacer esto muy similar porque vamos a delimitar el lago, okay? So try to leave an space for the lake, okay? Let's go on. So in this part, more or less, okay, in the first hill, more or less in this part, you are going to trace a line, a curve, okay? Like this, okay? Imagine this form. There are some curves, okay? So you go down and then you make a curve. Okay?
Profe,
Look.
¿lo pones donde el lago?
This is the lake. This is the lake. Watch the video. Watch the video. Quiero que mires el video. Mires el video. Estamos, mira, ahí en este momento puedes ver toda la panorámica. ¿Sí ves? Look. Look. So, in this part, in the middle, no, not in the middle. Almost in the middle, in this distance, you're going to trace a line, a curve, and try to do this similar shape, okay?
Mister, ¿cómo así?
Then, okay, and then you do this. Look, we are going to choose an space for the lake. This is the lake. This is the lake, okay? So, let's stop here and you're going to turn on your cameras and show me what you are doing, okay? Show me what you have. Let me see. Let me check. Okay, okay. Okay, don't worry, Anna. Show me, don't worry. You distribute the space on the paper. Let me see. Don't worry, okay? Something important. This is your version, okay? So, okay, beautiful. Okay, that's it. That's the idea. That's the idea. You are understanding. Very good. Very good. Very good, Sara, Juan Sebastián, Ana, Juan Pablo, Juan José. Excellent. Very good, Silvana. Okay, okay. It's important. It's really important. Tengan mucho cuidado porque arriba tenemos que dejar un espacio, ¿no? Miren el dibujo. Look. In this moment, can you see my camera? In this moment, you are doing this. This is what we are doing. And you need the space here. Recuerden, necesitamos acá este espacio de arriba, ¿no? Entonces tienes que dejar ahí un espacio. Por si necesitas borrar and make your corrections, okay? Very good, very good. Questions, 1 minute for questions. So, okay, Juan Sebastián, what is your question?
No, Mister, era de
No?
antes.
Okay, don't worry. Thank you, don't worry. Gabriela Arguelles, what is your question? Okay. Juan Pablo López, what is your question?
¿Así me está quedando bien?
Yes, very good, that's it. Eso es, Juan, is your version, remember. It's not exactly that I have, okay? No tienen que hacerlo igual que yo. Es tu versión, very good, Ilona. Maybe you do much better than me. De pronto hasta lo hagan mejor, okay? So, don't worry, it's okay, okay? Pay attention to the spaces. Lo importante es los espacios, ¿listo? So, it's very nice, Juan Pablo. Okay, continue with Sebastián Cardoso. What is your question? Sebastián, what is your question? Good morning.
Pues que el video se me traba mucho.
Maybe it's a problem about your connection, okay? So let's see what happened. But if you have more problems, don't worry. This session is recording and you can see it and improve your drawing later, okay? But let me see. Let's try what happened in this moment, okay? And finally, Sara Sofia Barrera, what is your question?
Mister,
Yes.
¿tiene que ser igual al tuyo o podemos
No.
hacerlo una versión?
Is your version, okay? But not is the same, okay? Not the
Y otra
same.
pregunta.
Yes. Tell me.
La cosita esa que tiene como una puntita y sigue hacia abajo, ¿es el lago?
That's the lake. Yes, that's the lake.
Es que
Okay?
tenía una idea.
Okay, put in your drawing. Put in your drawing. Use it. Okay? But remember, I want that you try to use more English. That's the lake, teacher. It's the lake. They are the hills. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. We are going to go back. Okay? We are going to go back from this part. And then we continue. Okay. So we finish our hills here, right? And then we are going to start our lake. So in this part, you start to make some waves or a little and curves. I guess they are both. And you try to do this map, okay? We are drawing the lake, okay? So that is the lake in the center. And then look, I decide to do another little hill here, okay? So draw another hill, draw another hill, another curve like this, similar to this, okay? And then we are going to draw a road, okay? That's the first part. That's the first part, okay? Let me show you. We are going to draw now a road, okay? We are going to draw a road. Repeat with me, road, okay? Road. We are going to draw a castle, okay? And the castle, of course, has windows and a door, okay? So this is what we are going to draw now. I'm going to share the video one more time, okay? Let me do it. Okay, now the video one more time. We are going to do the road, sorry, the road, the way in this zone, okay? In this zone, next to the lake, like this, okay? We are going to draw a road, two lines, very long lines. At the beginning, okay? At the beginning, they are very close, but you are going to separate them, okay, till the end of the road, like this, okay? One more time, we are going to draw a road. So the road are just two lines, two long curves, one like this, and the other one will be, okay, very close, but you extend a little bit like this, okay? This is the road you're going to draw, okay? So let me see, show me quickly. Okay, Juan Pablo, very good. Let me see, Sara, close, get close a little bit. Okay, okay, very good. Very nice, Ana. Good. Isabela. Uh-huh. Very good. Juan Sebastián, let me see Silvana. Okay, okay, very good. Damian, let me see. Okay, okay. Beautiful, beautiful, nice. Good. Let's continue. Let's continue, okay? We are going to draw some rocks, okay? Rocks in the water. But before, it's important that you go to the app, okay? Go to the upper part of the paper and we are going to draw a circle, okay? En este espacio es importante, vamos a dejar un círculo que vamos a usar más adelante, ¿ok? Entonces, es importante ubicarlo en este espacio. It's very important that you locate the circle in this part, ¿ok? A circle with your hands, ¿ok? It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You can use curves and connect them, ¿ok? A circle like this, ¿ok? Let's make the circle. Remember, the circle is not the sun. It's not the sun, okay? It's just a circle, okay? So make the circle like this. Very good. And then we go to the water to make some rocks, okay? How do you draw rocks? Imagine little waves, but you rotate them. So it's like a circle, but with waves, okay? Like this. So make of different sides, like this. You make a line and then a curve. You see? You make a line and then you make a curve. Like this, another. So they are rocks in the water. Rocks in the water, okay? Let's watch again. Let's watch again. Okay, so we have the road, okay? Then we go back and we're going to try to do a circle. Yes, almost on the top of the paper. So you make the circle with your hands, okay? With your hands. And then we go to the water and we make a line and a curve with waves to create rocks, okay? To create some rocks. So you use waves.
¿Está quedando bien las locas? No sé.
And then look the video in general and let's see how our landscape looks in this moment. Look, this is how it looks like at this moment. So we have, remember, the hills. We have the lake here. In the lake, there are rocks, the rocks. We have the road, okay? The road. Very nice. Okay, let me see and let's answer questions if you have, okay? Let me see. It's important that you locate the rocks in different places of the lake, okay? Tratemos de colocar las roquitas en diferentes partes de ese lago, del agua, okay? Very good. Very good. Okay, who is talking to me? Who? Ah, Sara Sofía. Yes, tell me. Tell me.
My idea is poner, ¿cómo se dice cascada en inglés?
Excuse me?
Cascada.
Fall.
A fall here.
Okay, why not? Why not? Beautiful. You can draw the fall, okay? Draw it. Very good. Very good. You can do it. Excellent. Damian, let me see. Okay, okay. Good, good. Fine. Questions? Does anyone have a question? Okay, Ana Sofia, very good. Ana, draw more rocks around. Ana Sofia Lopez, draw more rocks around. Okay, spread the rocks. Trata de dibujar en otros espacios también roquitas. Okay, Ana, very good. Nice. Okay, Juan Sebastián, let me see. Okay, put closer on the camera just to watch much better. Like this one. Closer, closer. Let me see. Okay, okay. Very good. Excellent. So now, please remember the microphones. Turn off the microphones, and when we speak, you open. Okay? Turn off the microphones, please. Okay, now let's go on. We are going to continue and we are going to draw the castle, okay? The castle. It's really easy. You just need to do lines, okay? Lines. So we are going to start in this part of the hill as I am, okay? You are going to trace a long line like this. Look, a long line, more or less to this distance, okay? A line more or less long here. And then you see the road? We are going to move a little bit because this is the road for the castle, no? So in a, okay, more or less closer distance, we are going to do another line like this, okay? With the equal distance, okay? And then we do another one like this because they are the columns. And then we are going to do this one. They are very close. So this is the shape you need to have, okay? To get. Let's remember what we are going to do. So in the hill, we are going to trace lines, okay? So look, one line, a little bit long. In the parallel way, we are going to do another one. They are a little bit curved, a little bit. Okay?
¿Así me está quedando bien?
You are going to show me later. Just follow the instructions. Don't worry, and you show me in a minute, and I will tell you. Okay? So look what we are going to do to trace. We are going to do a rectangle, more or less. Okay? So one line here. We are going to do this, and we are going to create the little stones. Okay? So remember this figure. So we trace a line, yes. Another line here, we connect them, and then we are going to do these shapes. Just there are two lines, one down, then you connect, then you up, in order to create the effect of the castle, the columns. Imagine, this is a tower, okay? So we are creating the shape of a tower. And then when we have these, okay, everybody has their columns ready. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Take your time and do it. Do you want to watch again? Let me see if you had finished. Only the people who have finished. Okay, you can correct, you can erase and you can make them bigger and thicker, okay? Puedes borrar, use your eraser when you consider it's necessary, okay? Okay, Sara, tú puedes corregirla y hacerla un poquito más gruesa, don't worry, okay? Okay, Juan Pablo, yes, try that the figures are similar, okay? Not so thicker and thinner, ¿no? Trata de que se vean más o menos similares en tamaño. Not equal, but similar, okay? Very nice. Okay, let's continue. So when we have this, we are going to do the other part of the tower, okay? So look, we are going to do the effect the tower effect here in the center. Look, because this will be the door, okay? The part where the door is. And then, okay, let's go back because this part is really important. Okay, we are going to connect the towers. How? We are going to trace a line, okay, by making the tower figures, those squares, okay, just to connect the two towers, like this, okay? You are going to do this. And we have our road, yes, and the face of the tower. We're going to trace, to draw a line in this part. Remember, in this square, look, you're going to trace a line because this is the other tower, okay? And in the other one, more or less to this distance, we are going to trace another one and we connect, we make a square with those lines, okay? And we're going to do this shape, okay? So remember, we make a square. Okay. And we do this figure. This is another tower for our castle. And then we connect with these two lines, okay? Let's go back. Okay, here we're going to trace a line in this part and another next to it, like this. One line here and one line in the center of the right tower, okay? And then we do a similar thing to the other side. So we are going to have these figures, okay? How are you? Let me see. Let me see. I would like that the others activate your cameras too to see the different drawings. Okay. So let me see. Let me see what you have. Okay. Okay. Maybe Juan. Okay. Okay. Trata de hacer las líneas un poco más corticas porque te va a hacer falta la parte de arriba, ¿ok? Y ya se te está acabando la hojita. Pero así es. Very good. You have the idea. Very nice. Mariana, let me see. Uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. I like it. Very good, very good. Juan Sebastián, trata de acercarme un poquito más el dibujo a la cámara, Juan Sebastián Villegas, just to see. Okay. Okay, Ilona, very good. Isabela, that's it, very nice. Juan José, show me. Juan José Ricaute, let me see. Okay, okay. Sara, very nice. Juan José Guzmán, okay, cool. Very good, Mariana, very nice. Okay. Cool. Now we're going to continue. Very nice, Anna. Yes.
Mr. Gabby.
Yes, what is your question?
Gabby.
Yes, I am listening to you. What is your question? Yes. Do you have a question?
Let me see.
Okay, okay, cool. That's it. That's it. Very nice. Okay. Aquí yo creo que maybe pay attention to the last part, shorter lines, because the last part of the castle, it lacks, okay? So just distribute the space, but it's okay, Gabriela. Very good. Very good. Sebastián Cardoso, let me see. Let me see your drawing. Very good. Okay. Ooh, very good. Let's continue. Very nice. Sebastián, very nice. Okay, continue. We are going to finish the castle, okay? So look, we have the 4 lines, right? And we're going to connect them just to create the other towers. So we connect with lines like this. And we are going to do a triangle. But look, the triangle, it comes from inside to outside, right? Es como un triángulo como que sale, ¿no? Un poco curvoso. A little curve, okay?
El sombrero de una bruja.
Yes, like a witch hat. Like a witch hat, you're right. Okay, let's see again. We connect the lines, yes, with a triangle similar to a witch hat. And we do the same with the other one. Look. And we make these figures. And we have another 2 towers. You see? Okay. Let's see the last part of this. Okay, the last tower. We connect the lines with a short curve, and we create like a triangle, like a witch hat. Okay, and then we're going to do this. Some curves to create the windows, okay? Some curves to create windows like this, and a big one below to create the door. Look, a big curve to create the door. That's the door of our castle, okay? And we decorate the other 2 with the windows, okay? And the tallest towers too with windows, okay? Let's see that part one more time, okay? So remember, when we finish to do the towers, we are going to decorate them making windows, okay? Drawing windows. So you do with some curves, okay? And in the middle of the road, not in the middle of that tower, the entrance of the castle, we make the door with a big curve. And we continue decorating the other towers, right? Like this, very good. And these are the towers, the windows, sorry, of our castle. So it must look like this. Very good. Very good, Sara Sofia. Very nice. Okay, who is talking to me? Who is talking? Because I don't know. Okay, let's make questions. And Sofia, what is the question? Do you have a question? Because you have the hand. No? Okay. Sebastián Cardoso, what is your question?
No sé, a mí me está quedando bien. Miss.
Show.
Show.
Okay. Okay, very good, Anna, nice. Ilona, what is your question?
Mister, yo no tengo question.
No? Okay, it's because you have your hand raising, okay? Don't worry. Okay, very nice. That's it. It looks with windows. Okay. Let's continue. We are going to do the tallest tower, okay? The tallest, okay? Entonces, la torre más alta. So it's really easy. It's in the middle. Here, in the middle. Okay. So we are going to do in one side of the floor of the roof of the castle. We are going to trace two lines like this. Okay. Just to create this effect. Let me go. I return a little bit. Okay, we're going to do two lines, yes, on the corner of each roof to create the tallest tower. Okay, and we connect them like this. And we make the roof, the triangle. Okay, so remember, in this part, aquí en esta parte, acuérdate cuando traces la línea, acuérdate de no atravesar la línea sobre todo el piso, sobre toda la superficie, porque entonces vas a tachar el techo de la torre, ¿no? Entonces, a line from here, ¿cierto? A line from here, a line from here, and we can distinguish the different towers. And you make a triangle, the same figure for creating the roof. Okay? One more time, because this is a very important part. So we trace the lines to create the final tower. We connect those two lines with another one. And that line is the beginning of our triangle, our roof. Finally, we're going to trace some lines, okay? But look, why? Let me show you the vocabulary because it's important to see the new vocabulary. So what are we going to draw now? Okay, we have the doors, the window, the castle in general, and now we are going to draw some flags, okay? So repeat with me, flags, okay? Flags, then...
Para hacerle una bandera en la punta.
You can erase one. You can erase and you can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, you can erase and make it smaller. You can correct it, okay? Don't worry. Or you can do the flags very small, very small. You can draw a small flags. You choose, okay? So we're going to draw flags. Remember, repeat with me, flags. The clouds, okay? The clouds, and birds, okay? Birds. Remember, it's not beer. It's not beer, okay? No es beer. Es bird, okay? Birds. Birds. That's it, okay? Let's go back to our video and we are going to finish to draw the castle, okay? And we start with the sky. Let's continue. So we trace the lines on the tips of the roof, like this, okay? And you make waves. You're going to try to erase these kind of waves, okay? And it's the way to do flags, okay? Connect two waves. Look. And we have the flags of our castle. Okay? Very good. So remember how we're going to do it. We are going to trace some lines in the center of the roof, right? We're going to trace the lines, yes, on the tip of the roof, the tip, la punta. And then we're going to draw some waves to create the different tower flags. We make the other one. Very, very simple. And we have our castle. We are going to decorate. We're going to put another window. Yes, in the new tower. And look what we are going to do. We're going to do lines to create an effect. Okay? The effect of the stones. Ok, vamos a crear ese efecto de las piedras, de los ladrillos con pequeñas líneas, some lines, ok? And it looked like a real castle with real stones, ok? So you make vertical and horizontal lines to create that effect. You see? Look. And we have our castle. Let me see. When you finish, of course. Okay, okay. Fill more lines, Sara Sofia. Put more lines in the castle, okay? To see the stones. Let me see, Sebastián Cardoso. Let me. Okay, okay, okay. Silvana, let me see. Okay, more lines, ok. Muy sutiles, muy suaves esas líneas, ok, para crear el efecto de los ladrillitos. Very good. Okay, nice. Let me see. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, Ilona. Good. Good. Sara Sofía Barrera, Juan Esteban. Okay, Diego Andrés. Let me see. Let me see, Diego. Okay, cool. Cool. Ponle más lineecitas adentro. Okay. Draw more lines. More lines.
Mister,
Oh,
mister.
let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Gabriela. Ah, okay. Get closer. Acércalo un poquito más. Acerca un poco más el castillo, porfa. Okay.
Finish,
Draw more
mister.
lines. Ponle más lineecitas para generar el efecto de ladrillos, Gabriela. Muy bien. Very good. Ana. Isabel Sofía. Very good. Very good, Juan Sebastián Villegas. Okay. Very nice. Damien. Okay, great. Great. Juan Sebastián, do you have a question or not? Do you have a question?
Yes, mister.
Tell me. Yes, tell me.
Pregunta es que ya casi se nos acaba el tiempo.
Yes, but okay, I have a question. Did you like it, the activity? Have you enjoyed it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry about. If we don't finish, what we are going to do, fortunately, we have an advantage, and is that we can close the workshop because it's important to finish in our phonics time. Okay. So if we don't finish, don't worry. This Thursday, we can finish in phonics time. Okay. Okay, Juan. Let's go on. Don't worry. We are going to do now the clouds, okay? So they are little waves and in different shapes, okay? I will use waves to create a big one. Acá en esta parte, bueno, esta nube, ok, the circle is not the sun, este no es el sol, ¿no? Entonces esta nube yo la tracé así, pero luego yo voy a borrar acá este círculo, donde cruza el círculo, para quitarle el efecto y que se vea más real la nube, ¿ok? So we are going to use waves. Waves.
Profe, el círculo me quedó muy feo y justo lo había repasado con marcador.
Okay, don't use marker till the end, okay? Don't use markers, no usemos marcadores, sino hasta al final cuando ya lo hayas coloreado y todo. ¿Listo? In this moment, we are just with pencil. Ahorita estamos solo con lápiz. ¿Ok?
Es que el sol me quedó mucho hacia allá. Acá me va a quedar el círculo con un círculo adentro, pero no importa.
No, but it's not the sun, ¿ok? It's not the sun, okay. No es el sol. That circle is not the sun. Okay?
Yo ya vi el dibujo que tú habías mostrado en la hoja.
It's a balloon. It's a balloon. Okay, you decorate the sky with some clouds. The idea is that you locate some clouds wherever you want, okay? But put some clouds. In this case, I decide to use just 3. But if you want, you can use more clouds, okay? Now we are going to do birds, okay? They're really easy. We are going to use just curves, and we're going to connect 2 curves to create birds. If you do long curves, the birds look closer. If you do shorter curves, the birds look like far, like this. You see, they are near, they are close, and they are far. Okay, I'm going to use another 2 birds like this in this part. So distribute the birds in the sky. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's remember quickly. We make the birds. Es importante que esperes un poco el globo para que veas cómo vamos a hacer este, porque vamos a meter las partes y todo, ¿ves? Entonces, wait for a moment. Espera un momentico a ver cómo, que ya vamos a hacerlo. Bueno, let me see the time. Ok, yo creo que lo alcanzamos. Okay, so decorate with the birds. Let me see. Very good, Gabriela. That's it. Okay, that's it.
A veces hacen formas, entonces por eso.
You're right. Okay, so very nice, Diego Andrés, Damien. Okay, Jacobo. Juan Pablo. Okay.
Profe, se quedó trabado, se quedó tu mano haciendo el pajarito.
Let's see what we are going to do now. We are going to do the balloon, okay? The balloon. We're going to finish it, but next class I will explain you the parts, okay? So we have the circle. Go to the circle. Everybody in the circle, and then we are going to trace the lines just to create the ropes, okay? So we are going to do 2 lines, okay?
Profe,
Tell me.
Mi globo puede tener un estilo que tenga un círculo adentro porque tiene un círculo adentro.
Okay. The idea is we're going to use some stripes because we're going to have lines in different colors. But you decide, look, and then you decide. Miremos a ver cómo queda acá y tú tomas la decisión. ¿Te parece? Okay. Let's see. So we create 2 lines because they are the ropes, and then we're going to do the basket. Okay. So we do this figure. And we connect the basket with the lines. And then we become then thicker to create the rope effect. And now we are going to do the burners. The burners is where is the fire and the gas who make the balloon, who let the balloon flies, no? So we're going to create this kind of shape to create more or less our balloon, okay? Our balloon. And here inside the circle, we are going to do curves. We are going to divide the parachute, because that is the parachute, with different stripes, okay? Different stripes. Stripes that we are going to color with different colors later, okay? So we make some stripes. Okay, and that's it for the moment, right? We were in this part, the clouds part, and then we go to the balloon, right? And then we go to the birds, and we were here in the balloon, right? So before finishing and starting to color, I want to show you some parts of the balloon, okay? This is a balloon. Balloon, okay? So repeat with me, balloon. It's really important that we, yes, a balloon. And the balloon, these kind of balloons have, okay, different parts. Balloon, balloon, balloon. It's really, really soft. Balloon. Yeah, it's like a balloon, but with U, balloon. Don't you think? Balloon. Okay, so we have the parts. The parts are the basket, yes, and the gourds, yes, and the propane tanks, because this balloon require some gas produced by the fire. So they have the burners.
Excuse me. I mute you because there's words and noise of someone of the students. So I'm sorry.
Don't worry.
Yo tengo una pregunta. Yo soy de...
But remember, hold on. You're going to listen. We continue and you wait for the moment for the questions, okay? So don't worry. Take the question with you, Lina. Wait, and in a minute you ask me, okay? Let's finish here and you ask me, okay? Remember something important. Let's turn off the microphones, okay? In order to avoid those noises. Okay, so we have the gourds, the burners. The burners produce the fire. Yes, that produce the gas who makes the balloon fly, right? And all this part, which is the parachute, because it's a big parachute, is called the envelope. The envelope, right? But everything is the parachute, but this long extension is the envelope. There is a valve here and some panels, the different panels, okay? So are the square, the grids, etc. And then we're going to see what are the other things that we're going to draw, because we're going to draw with the colors, flowers and bushes, okay? Flowers and bushes. These are bushes, the green ones, okay? So we're going to draw, but with the colors, okay? Flowers and bushes. And we're going to use our colors, okay? These are probably the general ones, but if you have special colors like gold, like silver, like magentas, of course you can use it, okay? And that's all. Now I'm going to go back to the video. So meanwhile, I put the video. Now, Lina, tell me what is the question. It's time to answer questions. If you have questions, let me know. What are they? Yes, what is the question, Lina? Lina, I don't listen to you. Could you repeat me, please? Okay, I listen to you. Tell me, Lina.
Mister, es que si yo soy de esta clase.
Es que hay otra clase al tiempo por las 3, entonces
Y
que
no
nos
sale
aclaren.
la B ni la A.
If you remember, si tú te acuerdas, acuérdate que acordábamos que nos íbamos a encontrar hoy los 2 segundos, Rainbow y Prism. Y por eso estamos acá los dos juntos.
Ok, porque hay otra de...
Yes. Es que es phonics. I am the phonics teacher. ¿Sí? Entonces, como están conmigo en este tiempo, pues por eso lo terminamos acá juntos, ¿vale? Entonces estás acá bien conmigo, ¿ok? Don't worry. Don't worry. Can you see the video? Yes?
Yes, video.
Okay. Okay. So we are in the balloon, remember? Estábamos en el balloon, right? Yes.
Es que la pregunta es que ¿cuál es color? Es que mister como que me duele la barriga.
Okay, and you need to go to the doctor or something. If you need to go, it's not a problem. This session is recording, so you will watch it whenever you want, okay? So it's not a problem. Okay? So please, now you're going to get ready your colors.
Lo siento, es que tengo otra pregunta. ¿Cuáles colores eran? Que es que no alcanzo a ver ya que se me cortó la llamada.
The colors you choose. All the colors you have, okay? Colors. Just colors. Okay, Silvana, your question.
Es que a mí lo que me pasó fue que mi mamá me botó ese dibujo.
Okay, if you don't have the drawing, okay, it's difficult to color. Okay, so it's a problem. Si no tienes el dibujo, va a ser difícil que lo colorees. Entonces no sabría ¿y qué podríamos hacer? Si puedes hacer un paisaje, podrías volver a hacer tu paisaje y colorearlo, ¿ok?
Ok, mister, la cojo una hoja y me lo pongo.
Okay, yes, sorry, but don't worry, You can take the photo later. You start again, but don't worry, you can send the photo when you finish. Take your time, don't worry. And I'm going to show you the video here so you can follow and try to do it. Don't worry. Can you watch the video? ¿Ves el video? ¿Para qué? Ok. Ok, dos últimas y continuamos porque si no, no vamos a avanzar, ok? So, Lina, ok, Lina, ya te respondí. Juan José Guzmán, your question.
Era que si podemos colorear con marcadores.
No, remember, we're going to use colors. And at the end, when you finish, you can underline with the markers, okay? So, but for the beginning, just colors, okay? Colors, no markers. Okay.
Mister,
Yeah.
es que yo no hice el dibujo de la clase pasada y llegué 3 minutos tarde.
Okay. Look, if you are late, you have to be on date. Si estás atrasada, sí te toca hacer como el dibujo, replicarlo, porque ya estuvimos toda la sesión pasada, ¿ves? Entonces, voy a mostrarte el video como para que tengas el panorama y pues trata de hacerlo y colorearlo. Cuando lo termines, pues le puedes tomar la foto y enviarle la foto a la profe. ¿Listo? Para que te pongas al corriente. ¿Ok? Okay, please, we are going to take the colors and we are going to decorate the flowers, okay? We are going to make flowers. Look. So you're going to choose one of your favorite colors and we're going to create points. Points. We're going to do points and lines here with the colors to decorate and create flowers. So you use, for example, I use the yellow and I am doing 3 points around. 3 points. What colors? You choose them. You choose them. You are free. Now look, we are going to try to do the bushes. So you use green color and we make like little clouds on the ground. Curves. The bushes, okay? Vamos a hacer esos arbustos con verde, bushes. So they are little waves and you look in different places of the landscape, you are going to draw the bushes. You draw them with green color, okay? It could be a dark green and then you can decorate with another colors. You can put some points to create the image of flowers. Okay. This is with the colors. Estamos acá como dibujando con colores, ¿no? So that's the idea. Now I'm going to do a flower. Look, I do a wave like this, right? And a circle. For example, I use orange, but you can use another color, your favorite colors. And I'm going to do the leaves with blue. So I do little circles around in blue, little circles. And that is a flower, okay? A simple flower. Remember, the color is free to decide.
Mister,
What happened?
yo no lo estoy haciendo con colores porque yo me equivoco muchas veces. Y si me equivoco con colores ya no puedo.
Okay, if you need, okay, if you have that situation like Lina's has, so you can use the pencil to correct, of course. Don't worry, you decide. It's not a problem. So look, this is how it looks, the landscape in this moment, right? Now, I am going to color the rocks. In my case, I decide to use brown, but you can use gray, for example. So the rocks of the lake. So we are going to color them with a dark color. Dark colors like brown, like gray, like black, but be careful with that color. Okay, landscapes. Now we're going to color our lake. Okay, so it's important that you take your blue color. Everybody with the blue color, okay? And we're going to color the landscape. So listen to me. What we are going to do is, I am going to I'm going to highlight the different places to color, okay? Entonces, voy a ir mostrándoles, voy a ir delimitando con el color para que ustedes sepan en dónde vamos a colocar algunos colores básicos, ¿listo? Como el blue, ¿ok? Y luego ya tú lo completas. It's not a problem, ¿ok? So, look what we're going to do with the lake. I choose a blue a little bit dark, okay? I choose the dark blue. And look, I am highlighting all the area which I am going to use blue. Okay, so look. So when you put the blue, you start to see the differences. What are the green parts? What is the land and what is the water? Don't you think? So look. So this zone will be the lake. Color with blue. Yes, tell me what happened.
Disculpa interrumpir tanto la clase. Tengo una pequeña duda.
Yes.
¿Tenemos que colorearlo como tú lo estás coloreando allá o lo podemos dibujar, lo podemos colorear como queramos?
You can use the colors you want, but there are some places that we need to color equal. For example, the lake is blue. It's not green, it's not yellow, it's not pink, no? The lake is blue, okay? But for example, the castle, I don't know, the clouds, the flowers, you can use the colors you want, okay, Lina? Okay, in general, your favorite colors, but there are some specific places that needs the correct color, like the lake, no?
Thank you.
So look, okay, don't worry. So look, this zone is the lake. Try to color in one direction. ¿Sí ven que estoy coloreando de un lado al otro nada más? Derecha, izquierda, izquierda, derecha. no, no de arriba abajo. So you need to color in a unique direction. Vamos a colorear en una sola dirección. It's really important. And look how it looks the lake. Okay, so I have the water and the rocks and the flowers. Okay, look at the video. Look at the video and see where we are. Okay, nice. Look what we're going to do now. I am going to color the road. What's the meaning of road? Can anybody tell me?
Camino.
Yes, it's the path, it's the way. Very good. So you can choose, for example, a color like brown or gray or yellow. Why not? Why not yellow? And we color the road. And if you want, for example, to decorate a little bit more, I am going to show you how to do some rocks. Okay, some rocks. You can use black color, for example, and you go to the different borders like this, and you draw little waves. Little waves. Yes, and then you fill them with black, and they will be rocks, more rocks. If you want, okay? If you want, it's not necessary that you replicate, but it's another option. And then you decorate and you make flowers. So I make lines, for example, with this green color. It doesn't see so good, but they are lines. So you can do little lines in green, choose a green color. And then we put some points around. Points to decorate as flowers. Okay. So I am doing the branches. And now I'm going to put the points in order to create flowers. They are points, son solo puntos to make flowers. You see, it's really easy. Okay. Sorry. I'm going to move here. We are going to start to draw the hills, okay? The hills. So you can use a green color, for example, or I don't know, yellow one, orange. Probably the hills. The hill. Sorry? I didn't understand you. Sorry. Could you repeat me one more time? Show me. Okay. Yes. Yes. It could be that green one. Yeah. And look, I am decorating the hills. Okay. Where are you? Where are you?
Estoy todavía por el lago porque la granja era tan grande y lo tengo muy grande.
Sí, remember, acuérdate que te dije, puedes ir, lo que estamos haciendo ahorita es como delimitando, estás marcando de pronto qué lugar quieres. Yo te estoy mostrando como algunas sugerencias, ¿ok? Entonces puedes ir como marcando esos lugares. But don't worry, no te preocupes. You can take your time. You can take
Okay. Mr. Gaby.
Okay, tell me, what is your question, Gabriela?
Es que puedes dejar un momentito la imagen quieta, es que ya vas muy rápido.
Do you want to see the full? Okay, but listen what I'm saying. You can mark the different places. Look, I'm going to leave the drawing in this position, okay? So remember, we have the hills in green. Yeah. The road. We have the lake. And flowers and hills, right? This is how it must be. Don't worry about it. You don't need to show me the complete drawing today because probably you need more time. Okay? What I need that you understand is that I'm going to show you just an example, okay? It's a suggestion. Yo solo te estoy sugiriendo algunas cosas. But remember, you apply your own style, your own color, okay? Podemos jugar con los colores, but explore them. Okay.
Mister, una pregunta.
Who is talking? Who is talking? Okay, I want you to tell me something. Yo quiero que ustedes me digan, Mister, I have a question. Okay? Mister, I have a question. Okay?
I have a question.
Okay. What is it? What is it? Tell me.
Tenemos, o sea, que tenemos que hacerlo como ahí o podemos explorar los colores y hacer algo creativo o algo así.
Does anyone knows the answer? ¿Alguien conoce la respuesta a la pregunta? Does anyone wants to answer? What do you think? What do you think?
¿Repites la pregunta?
Okay. Could you repeat the question?
Que si tenemos que hacerlo. Es Explorer. Colors.
Excuse me? We couldn't listen.
Yes, Explorer. Yes, Explorer. Colors.
You can explore your favorite colors. Not mine. It's yours. It's your election. Okay? So I'm going to move a little bit just to show you how it must look like. Yes, what is your question?
Colorear paisaje de todas las cosas de los colores que queramos.
Yes. Okay. As I told you, it's a really important question, yeah? Yes, you can use the colors you want, but pay attention, be careful, okay? Because there are some elements that needs a specific color, ¿no? Claro que sí, puedes usar los colores que quieras, pero también tienes que mirar qué cosas de pronto sí tienen que mantener un color. Por ejemplo, el lago. Yo creo que el lago no lo podemos pintar de otro color que no sea azul, porque entonces, ¿cómo vamos a diferenciarlo? ¿Sí? De pronto, ¿sí? Pero digamos las hills, el castle, se me ocurren que las clouds, los birds, you can use any color. ¿Por qué no? It's your version. You are the artist. Tú eres el artista. Nos vas a sorprender con los colores. ¿Ok? Okay, very good. So let's go on. I can use some brown to redecorate the background, okay? If you see, I am using brown. Si ven, yo estoy usando un poco de café para contrastar, hacerle el pisito a las flores y contrastar un poco con el verde de la colina, okay? And it looks like a little bit more natural. So this is the first part. And then we can underline with a darker green and then color inside with a darker one. Just to create the bushes effect, no? So look, I am using a darker green to create the bushes effect. What is the meaning of bushes? Does anyone know? What is bushes? Es lo que estoy haciendo acá en el dibujo. What is bushes?
Arbustos, Gaby.
Bushes, very good. Bushes, excellent. That's the bushes. So we have flowers, bushes, rocks, hills, and lakes. Another flower, for example. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do 3 flowers. So they are equal. You see, little curves around a point.
Mister, I have a
Yes.
question.
What is your question? Yes.
Que si podíamos hacer árboles.
Yes, you can include trees. Okay, trees. You can draw trees, of course. And you can do more things. You can include the sun, for example, and the rainbow. Okay. This is just a model, okay? Esto es solo un modelo, pero ustedes pueden hacerle lo que quieran. Yes. And I have the flower. Now, I want that you look the video a little bit because I want to show you how I decide to color the castle, right? So I'm going to go ahead a little bit. In that case, I'm going to use the color gray, but you can use another colors. The color of the castle it's free to decide. But look how I am coloring the castle. You see, I am leaving some blank spaces. You see? So if you do it like that, we can create an effect, ¿ok? Si lo coloreamos de esa manera, dejando algunos bordecitos en blanco, podemos darle un efecto. Miren, look. But you can use another color. You can choose another color, but try to color like this. Try to color by leaving some spaces, some blank spaces. You see? And I start to color like this, don't worry. The different towers. Yes. And look what happened. Okay, I am finishing here on the top of the towers. Si se dan cuenta, si ven que dejo algunos espacios en blanco, it's because we need an effect. And I'm going to show you how. Okay, I almost finished. And then you are going to choose another color. For example, I choose brown. And I'm going to color again, but I'm going to fill the blankets just to create an effect, a contrast in the colors. You see? So those white spaces will be covered with the brown. Look, and look how it looks like. Cool. ¿Sí ven cómo se contrasta con el brown? Okay. Now, for example, for the roof, you can use a very a very shiny color. For example, in my case, I have chosen gold, but you can use silver or I don't know, maybe pearl. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's your decision. Okay? Of course, meanwhile you are drawing and coloring, if you want to put relaxing music, you can do it. Why not? Why not? It will be nice. When you color, you can meditate a little bit. You know that? When you color, your mood change. Probably you feel happier later. So coloring has some advantages. It supposes that when you use colors, it means that probably you explore different options and different ways to do the things. Apparently, people who enjoy color, apparently they are a little bit happier. Okay, look the castle. This is my castle. It's just my version of the castle, right? We can decorate the windows and the door with another color. For example, the borders. And then choose different colors for completing the flags. I decide to use orange, pink, and the other is magentas, or yes, magentas. Let me see what you have. Let me see what you have meanwhile. Tell me. Don't worry that you haven't finished. Let me see. Very good, Juan Jose. Sara Sofia Barrera. Nice. Juan Pablo. Good. Good, Juan. That's it. You almost finished actually. Okay. Lina, show me. Show me what you have. Isabela Polania. Let me see. Okay, okay, good. Juan Simón, let me see. Very good. Okay, Emilio. Okay, be careful with the color. ¿Listo? Tratemos de que quede un poco más uniforme, o arriba o abajo, o a la derecha o a la izquierda, ¿ok? Y cubrimos, you cover the places with color. Very good, Ana Sofía. Very nice. Okay. Let's go on. Okay, you decorate the door, for example, like this. There are extra decorations, but now I want to show you, for example, what we can do with the balloon, okay? We can decorate, for example, the clouds with blue to create another atmosphere. Yes, you underline them. And you can highlight the birds too with another kind of colors. Light colors like yellow, orange, maybe red. Okay, so this is what we are watching at this moment. We are highlighting, the clouds. If you want, you can use white color to color inside the clouds.
Profe.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
Yo llevé mi imaginación a volar y hice nubes naranjas.
Beautiful. It's important that your imagination flies. So why not orange clouds? It's a world where clouds are orange. Why not? Look what I do with the birds. I decorate with colors too. You see? So it's another option. Let me see, Emilio Ramirez. Good. Okay. So I will go to the balloon. So you can distinguish or yes, differ the different stripes with colors. Look, the idea is that the balloon has many colors, represents a rainbow, okay? So you can use many colors inside the balloon, like green, blue, red, yes? I'm going to start to delimitate and underline, yes, the colors like this.
Mister,
Yes.
eché mi imaginación a volar y hice palomas doradas.
Okay, because in your world, those are gold, okay? Palomas, those, okay? Like the soap, como el jabón Dove. ¿Sí conocen el jabón Dove? El de la palomita? Dove, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm decorating the clouds with white. This is just a suggestion, remember. It's just if you want. And then we have our basket, the basket of the balloon. Okay, now I'm going to color the different stripes. You can use different colors, not the same ones, remember. Okay, probably you have more variety. De pronto ustedes tienen más colores, o sea, más variedad. Entonces puedes usar mayor variedad aquí en esta parte, ¿no? It's because I have just the basics. This is just for basic colors. Okay, but you can use more.
Mister.
Tell me what happened. Who is talking to me?
Pink.
Tell me, let me see, Miss Argüelles. Let me see, Gabriela. Show me. Go up the drawing because okay. Okay. You know what do you need maybe? Okay. Okay. I see you almost finished. You know, probably Gabriela and the others, what do we need now is maybe feel the sky. Feel the sky, okay? Gabriela and for example, Ana Sofia, Sara, Sofia Barrera, let me see again your drawing. Okay, okay. Everybody, see my video and we are going to see how to complete the sky. Look, you can fill the sky with blue, yes, to decorate the sky in general. No,
Mister.
we can decorate the sky with blue color to create the complete atmosphere. Okay, and the drawing will feel more real. Okay, look like this. Yes, I listen to you. Tell me.
¿Puedo dibujar ese hielo como medio rosadito para hacer como si fuera un atardecer?
Okay. Yes, you can use. Yes, Ana.
No volar y lo hice de color rosado.
Okay. Okay. You can use orange or another color to create that effect. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay. So I have a question. Does anyone knows how to say atardecer in English? Ana Sofia, do you know how do you say atardecer?
No.
The dusk. The dusk. The dusk. Okay. The dusk. También podemos decir sunset. Sunset. Okay. Dusk, sunset.
Eché mi imaginación a volar y hice nubes de algodón de azúcar moradas.
Okay. It could be sugar clouds. And how do you say moradas, Lina? How do you say? Do you remember?
Yes.
How do you say? Tell me. ¿Cómo se dice? Purple. Purple clouds, okay? Use the English. Purple clouds. Anna, if you see, I am using orange to create that effect too. Okay?
Orange.
The sunset effect.
And red.
Okay,
Orange.
red. Red is another one.
For the sun.
Okay. And finally, when we do that, when we decorate the sky, we are going to have our complete landscape, as you can see. This is the complete landscape. Okay? Like this. I'm going to show you my camera. Okay? This is the version. This is my version. Just mine. Show me yours. Show me yours. Okay. I would like to see the others. Me gustaría también ver a aquellos que de pronto no lo han activado antes. Nothing happens. Let me see. Very good, Juan José Galvis. Juan José Ricaute. Good, Sara Sofía. Juan Pablo. Sebastián Villegas. Okay. Isabela Polanía. Juan Pablo López. Good. Okay.
La hoja debajo de la cama.
Okay. What do you have to do? What we are going to do when you finish? And that is the homework. What is the homework? When you finish, you are going to take a picture, okay? You're going to take a picture and send to the teacher, okay? When you finish. A picture like this, when you appear with your drawing, okay? And it could be another where with the drawing alone, okay? But appears, because the idea is to show to the others, to the community what you are doing, okay? Clear? Is it clear, the instructions, my friends? Okay, understood. So for me, it was a really, really nice pleasure to do this. Okay, but before, sorry. How do you say this? Tell me. How do you say this? What is it? What is it?
Balloon.
Okay, a balloon. What is it? What is it?
Castle. A balloon.
Okay, a castle. What is it here?
Bandera. No sé cómo.
Flag.
En inglés.
Flag. Flag. Okay. Okay. What is it? What is it?
Flag.
Clouds. Very good. Okay, what is it?
Lake.
Lake. What is it? What is it?
Waves.
Hills. Hills. Okay, what is it? What is it?
Flowers.
The road.
The road.
Okay, very good. Very good. Today we're going to say beautiful. So take the picture, Anna. Okay, you take the picture. Okay, we're going to say goodbye today with a new greeting, okay? And the greeting is this. See you around, okay? Thank you very much and see you around.
Mister.
Around. Thank you very much for your participation. Thank you to the teachers and the parents. See you around.
Bye-bye.
See you around. Thanks. Bye.